Hello, welcome back, or welcome if you are new. Today, I'm going to be doing a little get ready with me. We're going to be doing a little chatty get ready with me, Valentine's Day edition. I am by no means an expert. I'm not a beauty guru or anything like that. I'm just going to be playing around with makeup and seeing what looks good on my face. So I'm going to start with moisturizing my face. This is also what I use as a primer, and it is the Yes to Tomatoes moisturizer. So I don't really do my makeup that often anymore. I used to love makeup and did my makeup all the time, but lately I just also I have two mirrors on either side so I can see what I'm doing. I just don't really wear a lot of makeup that much anymore, especially foundation and skin makeup. I don't really like the way it feels on my face anymore, and especially for today's look, I'm not going to be wearing foundation. I think I am going to put on concealer because I got some under eye bags, but I'm not going to be putting on a full foundation face of makeup, especially because I have a few pimples, if you can tell, and I don't really want to irritate them anymore. So first I like to do my eyebrows. It is the NYX Precision Brow Pencil. Precision is a hard word to say. Also, if you haven't seen any of my recent videos, I got braces. I will link a video up here where I talk all about it if you want to check that out. But I have a bite plate up on the roof of my mouth, so I have a slight lisp. So lately I've really been liking the natural brow look. So I am not going to be filling them in too much, although I do have a lot of bald spots in my eyebrows, so I am going to be filling those in. Also, I hate my hair up in a bun because I have so many baby hairs that never grow past this length. Just my whole life I have these, so they just they stick out like crazy all the time. I hate them. Also, this is in the color taupe. I can't open So I've been really liking this brow pencil though, because usually I use the Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade, and I really like that. I've been using that for years, but I wanted something really natural and kind of like a pencil, I guess, because I haven't really ever used pencils, and it's just really easy to use. How much do I have left actually? Oh, okay, there's a lot left. I was scared because it doesn't look like it can hold that much. So I'm going to be using this Hard Candy eyeshadow primer. I think what I'm going to do is go in with the Modern Renaissance palette. I use this palette so often that I don't even know. Where are my brushes? I don't even have my brushes. I'll be right back. Oh, just kidding. I just realized that they're right here. Also, I really need to clean my brushes. These are the two brushes that I use all the time, for everything. So I think I'm going to go in with this one, Vermeer. Yes, this little sparkly one. Oh! And I'm going to put it on the actual eyelid. And I'm going to use my finger because I feel like that gives it the most pigment. And then I'm going to go in with Bon Fresco. So for Valentine's Day, Gavin and I aren't doing much, and so I'm taking him on a little surprise date, which I'm really excited about. So he doesn't know where we're going, but we are going to this store called Box Lunch. I don't know where they have them, but he really likes this store, and I haven't actually been, because he went in New York, and I think Hawaii, and so it's kind of like a nerd store. Which we really like, and so he's been wanting to go to the one here because I haven't been, and we both like that stuff. And so I found one nearby, and so I'm going to take him there, and then I haven't decided yet, but I'm either going to take him to get tacos or ramen at both of these two places that we haven't been yet. Now I'm going in with Antique Bronze, and it's this really pretty purpley gray color, and it's shiny, and I love it. And I'm gonna put that in the outer corner. Lately I've been really into Korean makeup, not Korean makeup products, but the makeup looks, the straight brow and kind of the ombre lips where they have most of the color on the inside. I just think it looks really cool, and I've been wanting to try it, but like I haven't yet. So now I'm gonna do concealer because like I said, I'm not gonna really be doing foundation. ASMR. How do you guys feel about ASMR? Because I love ASMR, and I've been listening to ASMR for like 2 years now. And like low key, I've been thinking about like making an ASMR channel because I love it and it's helped me a lot through a lot of things. Okay, for concealer, I'm using 2 things. So I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me concealer. This is in the color Light. But yeah, I really like ASMR and I think it's nice. I'll put a little bit on my forehead, even though lately I haven't been doing it. I've literally the only like face makeup I've been doing is like under my eyes because I have really bad under eye bags, but that's it. Oh, and then I'm using the Hard Candy Glamouflage Heavy Duty concealer in the color Ultralight. And I will say though that this one in the Ultralight one is like too white for me, which is why I combined it with this one. Oh, I forgot. Dang it. I use well, I didn't use it now, but I usually use the NYX Dark Circle Concealer in the color Fair. It's like the pink, like color corrector stuff. I also have like a lot of milia, like the little cysts under your eyes. Well, you can get them anywhere. A lot of people usually get them around their eyes though. I have a lot of them. And you can't just pop them because they're like cysts. But they make like my under eyes like really textured and it looks weird. Shoot, I forgot all my brushes. So can I use this one? I'm just gonna use this brush. So I don't normally use this brush to set my under eyes. I actually haven't used this brush in a long time, but I really don't want to get up again and get my other brushes. So, oh yeah, I'm using the e.l.f. Perfect Finish HD powder, and it's like all broken, but your girl ain't spending any more money on makeup. So I'm just putting this all over my face because I am a greasy girl. Man, I spilled these little crumblies everywhere. Just wipe them onto the floor because we're disgusting. Dang it, I have to get up anyway because I forgot my bronzer. Man, I forget everything. So now I'm using this angled powder brush and the Too Faced Natural Face Palette, which I got when I was like 15. And I'm going to put some bronzer on my face because this concealer makes me look a little pale. Also, I have a question for you guys. And I haven't decided yet if I am doing this or not. But I was going to ask how you guys felt if I, for a temporary time, maybe as like a trial run to see how it goes, did change my schedule to 2 videos a week. I just really would like to make more videos and like reach more of you guys. I have like a lot of ideas, and I was making my video schedule like yesterday, and I just had all these ideas and I was just planning it all out. I have all of my, like as of right now, I have all of my videos planned out until November. Except for this one. This one was kind of spontaneous because I needed something for the week that this video comes out. And I didn't have anything. So we're doing this. But I have so many ideas and so many things I want to do that I feel like it could work if I did 2 videos a week. Of course, I would have to like plan and film and edit way ahead. But like, I think I could do it, and I really like pushing myself and like trying new things to like, I don't know, I'm just really motivated about it, and I want to see if I could do it. So comment down below if you guys would like that, just how you feel about doing 2 videos a week instead of 1. Another thing I've really been loving is like putting the blush like right here, like on the cheeks and the nose and stuff. I think it's so cute. Okay, I'm gonna take my hair down because it's bothering me a lot, like my baby hairs. So I'm gonna take this down. Okay, now I'm going to put on mascara. First I'm gonna curl my lashes, And I've been using this It Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. I don't know, it's like one of the sample ones, and I got it a long time ago. I hate having blonde eyelashes so much because they're so blonde, you can't see them, they're also really short, and I feel like I look like a small boy child if I don't have mascara on. Also, you probably can't tell from the makeup that I've been using because it is a lot older makeup, but recently I have been trying to transition my makeup into cruelty-free vegan makeup. Obviously, a lot of these products are not, because I only recently started wanting to do that. And so some of the newer makeup that I've bought recently are ASMR. I want to start an ASMR channel so bad. Okay. Ugh. I feel like with ASMR, because like I said, I've been watching / listening to ASMR for like 2 years now, since way before it became mainstream. Not to be like a hipster or anything, but I did it before it was cool. Oh no, I got it on my eyelash. Eyelid. And so now, like, when I first started listening to ASMR, I was like, this is weird, I can't let anyone know I listen to ASMR because everyone thinks it's weird. And, like, now, somehow, it's becoming, like, a lot more, like, popular and, like, mainstream. And I see, like, mainstream YouTubers trying it, especially with mukbangs. And I don't really think, like, the concept of a mukbang isn't ASMR, but, like, you have food ASMR, which is, like, its own category. But, like, I feel like ASMR and stuff like that is becoming a lot more mainstream lately. So it makes me glad because I can talk about it more and it's not becoming as weird, but it's still weird, kind of. You know what I mean? Like, I think most people are more accepting of, like, regular ASMR. I don't think they're as accepting of, like, food ASMR because I follow a lot of, like, mukbang food ASMR stuff on Instagram besides just YouTube, and like comments from like regular people, and they're like, ew, why are you chewing like that? And I'm like, that's the point, but whatever. So today is Saturday, and after this I have to go grocery shopping. Also I have to go switch my laundry because I have laundry in the washer right now that I need to switch to the dryer. I'm gonna go grocery shopping, and then my main plan for today is to edit a video that's going up tomorrow, which is another writing vlog, and then this one's gonna go up the week after that. So I'm going to edit tomorrow's video, and I might edit this one as well, and then I'm gonna write. I think I'm just gonna use the rest of the day just to write. Okay, so, oh yeah, I was thinking about doing eyeliner. I didn't, so. Also, this isn't really a Valentine's Day look, I guess, but, you know, whatever. So now I'm going to do lipstick. I'm gonna start putting stuff away, so, because I have a big fat mess in front of me. But what's new? So for lipstick, I was thinking about using the NYX Lingerie liquid lipstick. This one is in Lace Detail, and I do like this one. I've had it for a while. I love the NYX liquid lipsticks. This one and the liquid suede lipsticks are my favorite. They are so good. This one I think I did not like as much as the liquid suede ones, but I think it was still pretty good. And this color is really pretty. Okay, I need to stop. Should I put lipstick, or should I put chapstick on before I do this? I'm putting on it anyway, so. I feel like this is like already sinking into the cracks of my lips. I think what I'm gonna do is add some red. They're over here. I don't know why I keep getting up. We're gonna try this. I am usually pretty bad at mixing lipsticks. So, now I'm using the NYX Liquid Suede lipstick. I love this one. This one is in Kitten Heels. It's really cute. One of my favorites. So, I think what I'm going to do... Maybe I can try the Korean thing that I was talking about where they, like, make it like ombre. Maybe? Yikes. I'm gonna get this brush. I'm not doing ombre. I'm just gonna mix it. Little messy, but it will do for now. Now I'm gonna use a setting spray that I'm almost out of. Hard Candy Fast and Fabulous 12-hour power makeup setting spray. I can't take it off. Maybe if I put some lip gloss? I am about to ruin everything. I love this lip gloss a lot. It's the, like, Victoria's Secret, I don't know, it's called Minty Shine. I picked it up in the, like, line leading up to the register. But it smells so good and it kind of tingles a little bit. Oh, so good. Okay. Did you hear my wrist cracking? I need to talk. I feel like this video is, like, going in no direction and it's taking a lot longer than I thought. Where are we at now? 59 minutes. Awesome. So I'm not going to change clothes or anything because I haven't even thought that far and that would take forever. I look so good! Oh my gosh. Okay, now I have to do the classic, like, finished look montage. So, this is the finished look. I don't do much to my hair because I don't know how to do hair. I hope you enjoyed this little random rambly video. Thanks for watching, even though I know this is all over the place and probably not that funny. Don't forget, please comment down below what you guys think of doing 2 videos a week instead of just 1. And of course, feel free to, at any time, comment video ideas or anything you would like to see from me. I'm always open to ideas and suggestions. Okay, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Subscribe if you would like, or leave a like or a comment. I love you all so very much wherever you are. I hope you're having a wonderful day, and I will see you guys in my next video.